Today we are bringing you the newest final report of financial health of European. What do people say? 4.3 is the average self-evaluation of financial health in Europe. What does it mean? Not bad, not good. The glass is half empty. A lot of work to be done together. You are not alone on the path to financial health. Consult your trusted financial advisor.
It is a great honor to welcome you to this event, the 25th anniversary conference of EFPA.
I believe this conference really underscores the potential of what the industry can achieve. The work that EFPA is doing on the certification and qualification of advisors is key and will become increasingly even more important in the future to help the industry overcome some of its main challenges and to make sure that we can all objectively and collectively move towards reaching SIU objectives. And also thanks a lot to Better Finance for the collaboration on this inspiring report measuring the financial health of European citizenry. I think everybody should get a copy and take a look. I think the data set there, it's inspiring to understand better where the challenges lie ahead. One, above all, the ticking pension bomb for European households and workers to prepare for financial security in retirement as we move towards years where population will age and reliance over state pension systems will become increasingly less advisable.
Better Finance, an EU-level NGO representing the interests of financial consumers and retail investors, has advocated for quite a long time to address the ticking pension time bomb. Our annual report on the real returns of pension saving has shown over the years that EU citizens are invested in very badly performing pension products and the performance needs to be improved. Today's findings of the report that has been done in cooperation with EFPA shows that this issue is extremely important. Quite many of EU citizens have no idea how much they contribute towards their pension, and what is even worse, many of them grossly exaggerate and overestimate what kind of pension income they are going to get when they retire.
I chair the second roundtable of this event of EFPA Europe. It was devoted to the great, most important project of the European Commission in the financial field, which is the Savings and Investment Union and the role of financial advice on it. We deal with different things, in which way give priorities to the need of improve the financial culture of European citizens, how to deal with the incentives for pan-European products oriented to investment, and in general all those policies addressed to transform what we have, which is a lot of savings, into real investments to achieve the main objectives of the Savings and Investment Union.
Improving the investment culture across Europe is going to require a holistic approach if we really want to rise to the challenge and succeed. And by the holistic approach, I mean looking at the product side, we need the Savings and Investment Union and especially the Savings and Investment accounts that the Commission is working on to include insurance. If you want to have a wider take-up and a wider outreach, you need to include insurers and insurance products. There's no coincidence why life insurance investments are so successful. They represent 70% of the retail investment market today. They speak to consumers and they respond to the diversity of needs of consumers and the different risk profiles. Second, you need to look at the consumer journey, and here we absolutely need to take the retail investment strategy, the risk, as a golden opportunity to streamline and rationalize the consumer journey to make it more enjoyable from their side and to encourage consumers to go and invest.
It's so important to reflect the outcome of the report, the way people spend money, the way the people save or not save money, and why they don't do. And we believe that some things are important to be stressed. The customer journey is really a tricky issue. We need to simplify the rules so that customers are willing to invest instead of running away because they simply don't understand what we are talking about.
The Congress we organized today was for celebrating the 25th anniversary of EFPA Europe. It has been a great period of huge success. Thanks God we reached the target we were supposed to reach, which means more than 100,000 certificates holders. And now that we got this huge population of financial advisor and financial planner certified with EFPA, we can also start being one counterpart to be taken into consideration by the different European stakeholders. The Congress we organized today, it's clearly the demonstration that we can present our proposal in order to try to manage the huge problem we have with the need to help the final citizens to pass from savings to investments. We have been discussing about the huge problem of pensions and we are trying to face this problem, finding the best way to support our financial advisor in being able to assist their final clients.